Today I'm going to show you how to make an iPhone stand, one that actually works. I'll begin by showing you how to fix the wheels. For making the wheels, you will need a special wheel base which you might find at a Lego store. The rest of the blocks may be of any size or any color as long as they fit. Now, sort the blocks according to their sizes, the thin ones, the long ones, and so on. Next, start putting the blocks together following my steps. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to my channel.